the money part also helps. But whatever.
Yeah, for Kanye, I'd say what? Beluga?
Good experience. The place was. I sold my first pair of Beluga.
University blues, mochas, but the best is Beluga.
Shubman Gill and I got stuck in a lift together.
Happy New Year.
I'm gonna try vlogging on this camera for a bit today. Let's see what that's like. 2 phones and a cam. Damn.
These are Hyper Jordan 1, worn once by Shah Rukh Khan. It's actually true.
What a guy! Did you just take your own juice and... So what is the purpose of this vlog? Traveling? Who is it? How to talk to the camera. We talk to the camera.
No.
What are you doing here? ये सब आपने किया? क्या क्या ले रहे हो आप?
जो तू दे रहा है वो.
Everything you're taking? And Himanshu is giving you what price for the Yeezys?
You take 20,000.
20,000? हिमो Yeezy Day Steals चल रहा है आपने बताया नहीं?
I want to talk about this new vertical we developed under Mainstreet called the Mainstreet Metro. And we're doing these events where you had the opportunity to pay a small fee and stand the chance to take home a pair of shoes free of cost. And you know, surprisingly, people reacted really well and they were really enjoying it.
What was your first ever sneaker?
Don't remember.
If you had to do a collab, which brand would you do it with?
I don't know.
What's your most expensive purchase?
Travis Fragment.
Is it Supreme?
I don't want to tell you.
It's Supreme.
Get out.
Guys, like this is why we can't do content. We can't push out videos. Guys is not a thing for boys, it's a just people thing. This is why we can't do content and videos because we have wild animals. Raid our set like Himanshu.
The slip-on superstar.
These are some Adidas.
It's a collaboration with
What?
the first one. I mean, obviously, I know Chrome Hearts. अबे तो हम लोग फैशन और स्ट्रीटवेयर की बात कर रहे हैं. हॉगवर्ट्स का लोगो कौन डालता है यहाँ पे?
I was talking about how I'm getting rid of everything in my closet, and I got some very interesting DMs of people asking me for my clothes, so I'm gonna run through all of that again today, and we can make this video just about those things. In the meanwhile, it has been brought to my attention that vlogging in a robe is apparently inappropriate.
सुपर 50 कैसा भाग गया?
नहीं.
क्या नहीं मतलब?
बाकी
लाइन लगनी है आज से.
आज थोड़ी कल ना.
तो कल मतलब जब देख रहे हैं वीडियो तब तो लाइन लगनी है ना, तो आज तो होएगा ना.
हाँ तो तभी तक हो जाएगा ना. सिर्फ फ्री टाइम से.
And what was your first
Superstar.
pair? What's your all-time
Jordan
favorite
1.
sneaker? And people who
Jaggy
inspire
Lorenzo.
you. Yeah, whoa.
Kanye West. Virgil Abloh.
Where are we going, guys?
Mainstreet store.
Abhi, today we are in Hyderabad.
Mainstreet field
Hey, where are we going? IKEA. Good IKEA.
I rented a very expensive house with no furniture, so this is perfect for me.
Yes, sir.
I just need to hang for a bit on my quest to look for this tanning bed.
This is a normal bed though.
I need a tanning bed.
So IKEA stores are designed to make you like get lost inside of them and make sure you just can't leave. And now we've been trying to leave for like 3 hours and we just can't find the bloody exit.
I'm vlogging you, vlogging him, vlogging me.
I was thinking of starting a new vlog.
Oh, so we are the whole participant.
He's vlogging me, vlogging KK, vlogging Vedu, vlogging me, vlogging KK, Vedu.
Wait, this is horrible.
Vlogging now. Why the fuck is everyone vlogging?
Himanshu, why are you not vlogging? What can we make him do, Kicks?
We'll make him handle all the customers.
That he already does.
Again, come on.
So give some interesting punishment now.
Interesting punishment.
No punishment.
We'll burn his phone runner. I'll burn his phone runner. I'll burn.
The Delhi store is finally launching, and it's launching with something absolutely wild.
Volt Gold. I do not know this one. Which ones are these?
Patina Jordan.
Patinas. Some grey.
Some grey.
I don't
Like this you'll sell.
No, man.
It's Mr. Karan Khatri official's official birthday, and we're all very excited. And it's also Monday morning.
We're making a Bhavacha birthday banner for Mr. KK.
The face. Ah, no!
अच्छा ये क्या है? ये खोल के दिखा। ये चल खोल के। क्या येलो डब्बे में कौन से जूते आते हैं?
एक ही तो आता है।
कौन सा? मुझे नहीं पता। दिखा कौन सा जूता है ये?
Air Mags.
Round 2 is an image-based question. We will show you an image of a shoe, and you have to tell me what shoe it is. For your question, Harsh, what shoe is this?
Easy. That looks like white leather.
That's correct.
That's correct. Okay.
Why are you so obsessed with Starbucks? Starbucks. I don't have a personality. Starbucks give me something to talk about. I don't even like coffee. I like the mug.
All this going on YouTube. New series starting right now, breaking down what goes on at the Mainstreet Marketplace store.
My best. And what's crazy, dude, sometimes I start thinking, I was like, oh, this must be last year, but so much has happened this year. We moved from being one store and one apartment for all of us to live in and work from, to being one apartment, 2 stores, 1 warehouse, 1 office. I think team went from 10 to 20, business grew, got funded, Delhi store launch was like something else. I stopped wearing anything branded ever. I made a few clothes for myself and that's all I wear. I feel like full life has only changed in this year, and so much, like so many times over life has changed in this year. It's crazy. But yeah, I think my year has been like scary, terrifying, thrilling, exciting, everything. Dangerous. Favorite memory, I think has to be the Delhi store launch curtain drop. That curtain drop was exactly how I had imagined it and exactly how I wanted like Stupid 50 to be. And that was like something else in me. I can't even explain that feeling. I barely slept. My sinuses were blocked. I couldn't breathe properly, but none of it mattered. It was just like something else for me. But yeah, dude, now we have a vlog. We have a proper team. We have a senior management team. We have a little bit of money. We have like peaceful sleep. और क्या ही बोले? It's been fun. It's been a very fun ride. I can't pick. I mean, how could my year at Mainstreet? I'm just glad we have so many people who can say they've had a year at Mainstreet. So many people who can say that they're a part of like this journey. So many people who can say that this is like something of theirs. You know, earlier there's people coming and going, but now there's like so many people who like own it. And I don't think anything makes me happier than that. Sneaker of the year, I would say, I think Hamamania Jordan 3 came out this year. This year. Yes. I think that's my sneaker. They're damn beautiful shoes. Damn, it's nicely gone up also in price now. Much deserved. It would be arrogant of me to say sneaker of the year is this Adidas skate shoe that I have worn for pretty much the whole year. But yeah. Worst memory. It's worse than high. I mean, there's a lot of bad shit also, lots of downs, as many ups as there were, lots of like downs, but yeah, I think so. I think my family getting COVID is something Mainstreet related, but full family got COVID on my birthday. For those of you who don't know, 2020, my birthday, we had planned Bombay store launch and original Stupid 50, which is when the first pandemic wave hit and the lockdown hit on my birthday. It was damn funny. This year, it went from being global tragedy to personal tragedy. Full family got So coming here, I'm just going to forget about my birthday entirely. If I plan something, something will go wrong. So I'm going to avoid that. I'm going to go back into the office, which you can't see yet, but you will see soon.
Again, anyone who says the lows are better than the highs are people who are broke.
How was your experience this year so far?
मेरा interview ले रहा है तू? It was good, yeah. Nice. There were 2-3 things which I remember. One, of course, store opening at Delhi, dude. It was crazy over there. There were like 300 people. There was a queue of 300 people standing outside. It was super crazy that night. We didn't sleep for 2 days, dude. And 2 nights also. This year, oh yeah, we got this flooring change, dude. I love this flooring. You can just show the flooring if you want. Yeah. I love this flooring. I don't know why, but I love this. The whole revamp of the whole store again. It was a very good time.
So, what was the sneaker of the year according to you?
Travis Frag lows. We don't have it over here, but yeah, for me, though, of course, it is Travis Frags. I have one of those. Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year!
The thing to happen this year obviously has to be our Delhi store and the stupid 50 event that we did, and obviously we got cash. The worst experience obviously has to be me not being in the store when Imperial came to the store. Has to be. It has to be. Not this. The Halloween dance. Obviously has to be.
So, how was your year so far?
I was not supposed to have this year with Mainstreet, so I'm grateful I had it.
Best moment? It can be 2 or 3.
My best moment from this past year would be the month of April. That would...
Why?
Because we did phenomenal numbers and we were restricted to a very limited, like it was just 2 of us working out of the house. Client who was trying to spend about 13 lakhs and I messed that entire deal up. But overall it was good, we recovered, we made some money on it eventually, but that deal still gives me nightmares to date. Special moment of the year would definitely be being next to Hardy Sandhu. Believe it or not, but that was the highlight of my...
How was your year so far with Mnst? Very lovely. It's been great.
Changed our lives, bro.
Yeah, dude, Mnst changed. Yeah, bro. Mainstreet changed my life.
Changed our lives.
Changed my life.
Year for you. What is the secret of the year for you?
I'm wearing it.
Really?
Yeah.
So hard to think.
Beluga?
Everybody was going
like
crazy for
beluga. Bread. Bread. We just filmed breads.
Best and worst memory. Both happened on the same day.
Yes. The opening day.
It was very good. We have sold a couple of 100 shoes with Himanshu. नहीं 100 जूते तो बेचे होंगे ना, पर 100 आपके 50 तो मेरे होंगे ना.
हाँ ठीक है.
50 shoes. So the best moment in the store was when it was my birthday, and no one knew, but then only Sebastian knew that it was my birthday. Then suddenly boss came and we cut the cake and celebrated a little bit.
Oh, celebrating.
It was a good time, like good day. It was a good day. But the best is Beluga. Yeezy fan. I'm a Yeezy fan. Yeah.
So I would say my most good experience of the place was I sold my first pair of Beluga when I joined right on my second day. And of course I joined this place and interacting with these young kids, that would be like a very good experience, I would say. First experience, the same thing actually, interacting with these young kids. And yeah, best sneak of the year I would say is Paradance. I think nothing would beat that. That's my personal opinion.
Just not Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, and stay safe.
It's beautiful. It was the best year we've ever had as a company, because we got a new store, a huge ass store. We got funded. We sold a lot of shoes. Like what else could we want? Best memory of the year. Best number one would probably selling the Red Octobers in lockdown. We be plugging KK with the Air Yeezys to start of the year. I remember I've never seen KK like as excited for a shoe. Sneaker of the year. That Travis Scott has beat down sneaker. Travis Scott X Fragment Jordan 1 High. That's it. That's the sneaker.